Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna
cook labi-labi.
Yeah, labi-labi in English is snapping turtle.
Yes.
Oh yeah, snapping turtle. Then we're gonna take the snapping turtle. One of the snapping turtle was in my house compound. And then the other one is my grandma's snapping turtle. And then we decide to eat them because it's been very long already.
Bring the baby there. Go. Don't become so slow. Okay. Okay, push. Okay. Odi. Okay. Angkat dia, push. Pegang atas dia. Pegang no, atas dia one. Nah. Push. Okay. Put inside the bucket. This one. Okay lah. Throw away the water a bit.
Just take it, put him.
Why you takut?
I takut lah. Jual lah.
Hold this one. Put inside. Put it.
Okay everyone, my labi-labi is inside here. My grandma one little bit wild. He's so... Here goes! Here goes nothing. Oh, who is this? Hey, so big. Okay, this one we put here. This one slaughter it lah. But my dad slaughter it lah. But my dad pulled the head out, then I end his life in a good way. Okay. Here it comes. Here it comes. This one we cannot show YouTube. People. Die lah. Ay, itu pun dia nak tahu kan. Okay guys, we already slaughter it in a humane way. Now we're gonna butcher it lah. Start from the lower part of the body. And now how? Alright guys, we already slaughtered it. So this is the shell. Then after this we're gonna eat you can eat this one, the soft one, soft shell, soft shell. This is hot. This is soft. All of this soft. Now that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. We're gonna stir fry it and see you tomorrow. I will butcher the other one. So, bye bye. Okay guys, now yesterday evening we already butcher the snapping turtle. Now we're gonna stir fry it, but first we're gonna blanch it with boiling water, which is the snapping turtle. So we blanch it 2 to 3 minutes in the sun. To get rid of the smell and the taste, the not good taste. So after this is done blanch, we're gonna stir fry our snapping turtle. So these are the ingredients: ginger, chili padi, onion, shallot, garlic, lemongrass, and then dried chili. Then for the taste, we have Chinese wine, sesame oil, then the basic lah, black pepper, chicken stock, and salt. So after this is done blanching, we're gonna stir fry it lah. So I will see you when it's done blanching. Okay guys, it's been already 3 minutes plus. Now we're gonna take it out. Look like chicken. So after this is been blanched, after this we're gonna do the stir frying. Okay, gonna take out like jelly. I think yeah, there's no more. We're gonna throw this water out. I'll fry. First, on stuff. Add minyak, oil, normal oil. It should be enough. Let this heat up. Now I think we can add it in. The oil is hot enough. You can hear the sound. Like this. Okay. Let this get it golden brown. After it's golden brown, we're gonna add our lemongrass, ginger, and lemongrass and dried chili to get the flavor. So I'm gonna let it sit first, make it golden. Okay. Now we're gonna add in the lemongrass, chili. Now fry it. Now we're gonna add in the snapping turtle. Now the aroma from the dried chili and the lemongrass, very nice. Very smellful. Yeah. Add in our chili padi and our ginger. The chili padi is for giving it a kick. First. Now we're gonna add in our Chinese wine. The Chinese wine give it a nice aroma and a nice taste of alcohol. Okay, give it a mix. Now we add our little bit of water. Put in a little to let it simmer. Yeah, simmer. Okay guys, I forget one last ingredient. Thick soy sauce. Still got the wine smell. We want it black. We don't want it too black. Just nice. The color. So now we're gonna let it simmer for maybe a little to make the water less. See you when it's done simmering. And what if you simmer, you make sure the fire is small. Okay guys, it's done simmering. Now let's see. Give it a mix. Looks nice. Smells nice. Okay, let's see whether it's tender, soft. See, this is the hardest part really. Alright, soft. See, it passed through the fork can pass through the meat. Okay, things should be done. Now it's time for seasoning. Normal salt, add in salt. Not too many because now we add in our chicken stock. Then we mix it first. Now we add our black pepper, a little bit. Okay, this mix it. Now we're gonna add our sesame oil, little bit, for the aroma and the taste of the oil. Open this one. Okay, done. Mix it again. Okay, now we test the meat and the sauce. First step, try the sauce. Cute. Sauce first. Quite spicy, tapi the thick soy sauce give the sweetness. But if you guys don't want that spicy, you can add little bit of brown sugar. So the sauce is good. Now the meat. We try the gelatin. Okay. Blow first. the gelatin tastes like nothing because no have meat. It's because it's a part of the shell. Now we try the meat. Try part of the meat. So here is the meat. Dip in the sauce. The meat tastes like nothing. I think I didn't put salt, tapi the sauce helps it with the flavor lah. But very chewy lah. But if we simmer it a bit longer and it's soft, it will be more nicer lah. So still edible, but chewy a little bit. So, I will bring this to my grandma's house to let her makan it. And that's all for today. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Yeah, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Chewy, isi banyak, wow,
Rasa
rasa sedap lah,
sedap.
better than chicken.
Macam belum ya.
Sudah tu.
Biar lah.
Kita mampu kenang.